Hey guys, it's your boy Classic SpongeBob here. And by the way, welcome back to our 122nd vlog. Yeah, I just want to let you all know that there will be exams coming up, as well as Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. Not to mention that Christmas is coming up soon, so just to let y'all know, have a very merry early Christmas and have a good weekend. So yeah, even if I'm such inactive on this channel every Saturday. I always post vlogs on Sunday. I always post Saturday or the weekend. I don't post when the weekend's about to end. So, yeah. That's all for now. So, goodbye.